Number 2. What year is this guy? Misfire on number 2 supposedly. This is an 07. Probably has the same engine. Probably same problem. Now let me do a relative. Hopefully this doesn't come on and blow me out. Okay. Yep. Yep. So I'm going to be doing relative compression on this guy. Oh, look at that. Roll down windows. This one should be pretty easy. I'll do my pre-scan and all that good stuff. It's kind of like deja vu here. There's a bunch of Silverado 2 stuff. Look how pretty it is under here. All that what the hell is that? I thought it was MSD. I don't know what brand that is. Cabriolet or whatever. Yeah. But anyway, we got ignition number 2 control. I don't know if they were messing with anything, but anyway, we got that, and then we actually have this again, fuel pump control module with this fuel rod pressure sensor circuit performance. I have my Pico set up here. I got amp clamp, and I'm on number 1 cylinder, and I'm triggering off of the amp clamp. Let's see what I got. Yikes. That actually might be a starter. Yeah, that might be the starter dropping out. Isn't that weird? I might have to redo this test. I don't like that. Go up a little, be a little more pronounced. Maybe I should put a filter on it. Yeah, it's a little better. I think that's the starter dying. That starter's on its way out. So let me get this guy out of the way. 720. That guy there. That's the starter dropping out. 8. What do we got? They all look fairly close there. It's a little bit weird. See, now that I look at the big picture, I am dropping something here. So this starter is shitty, but it's also got something going on here. So I'm going to move this over real quick, and I don't even know what engine this is because it doesn't have no stickers in it. I'm assuming it's a 5.3, and they probably all have the same, firing order. So I got to look that up real quick. So we got 1, 8, 7, 2, 6, 5, 4, 3. Okay. So I'm gonna come here. I shouldn't have done that. Let's go here. So we got 1, 8, 7, 2 is missing. 6, 5, 4, 3. So it's number 2. So it's number 2 is missing. We got number 2 missing. And it comes and goes, so it's probably a lifter. So, like I said, I'm going to come back to this one.